Hello everyone and welcome back to our Python learning journey. In the previous video, we learned how Python stores information using variables and data types. But storing data is the only beginning. Programming became powerful when the data can interact, when values can be compared, and when decisions can be made. And that is exactly what we are going to learn today. Today's topic is operators and expressions. Once again, we will understand everything using a simple story. So take a breath and let's continue. Meet Alex again. Alex now understands variables. He knows how to store numbers, text, and true or false values. But Alex has a new question. How does Python actually use this data? How does it calculate results? How does it decide what to do next? The answer is so simple. Python uses operators. Operators are special symbols that tell Python what action to perform. They allow Python to perform calculations, compare values, combine conditions, update variables, and even work at the binary level. Whenever Python performs an action, it is using an operator. And when values and operators combine together, they form something called an expression. Notices something important. Whenever Python combines values, variables, and operators, it creates an expression. An expression is something that Python can evaluate and produce a result. That result could be a number, a true or false, or a new value. Expressions are everywhere in programming. Alex starts with something familiar, maths. Adding numbers, subtracting values, multiplying and dividing. Python uses arithmetic operators to perform these calculations. They include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, which gives the remainder, exponent, which gives power. Arithmetic operators help Python work like a calculator. They are used in scores, prizes, measurements, and almost every program. This is the foundation of all programming logic. Now, Alex wants to compare values. Is one number bigger than another? Are two values equal? Is something different? Python uses comparison operators to ask these questions. The result of any comparison is always true or false. This is how Python begins to think logically. Comparison operators are essential for conditions and decision making. Alex now wants to combine decisions. What if two conditions are true? What if only one is true? What if something is not true? Python uses logical operators to handle this. Logical operators work with true and false values. They help Python combine multiple conditions and make smarter decisions. This is how Python behaves more like human thinking. Logical operators are used in login systems, validations, and eligibility checks. Alex notices another pattern. Sometimes values changes. A score increases, a count decreases, a total is updated. Python uses assignment operators to store and update values. They allow Python to assign new values, modify existing values, and combine calculation and assignment. This makes code shorter, cleaner, and easy to understand. Now, let's hear about something advanced. Bitwise operators. These operators works at binary level. They operate on zeros and the ones. Bitwise operators are used in low-level programming, performance optimization, and hardware-related tasks. Alex does not need to master them now, but knowing they exist helps him understand how computers works internally. Alex now understands something important. Variable stores data. Data types define data. Operators use data. Without operators, no calculations, no comparisons, no decisions. Operators turn data into logic and behavior. They bring programs to life. Let's quickly summarize. Arithmetic operators perform calculations. Comparison operators compare values. Logical operators combine conditions. Assignment operators update values. Bitwise operators work at a binary level. Operators and expressions are the backbone of programming. Once you understand them, coding starts to make sense. This is an important step forward. In the next video, Alex will explore strings. We will learn how text works in Python, strings method, slicing, and powerful if strings. That is where we will start working more closely with real code. Until then, keep practicing and keep exploring. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.